Hey friends, if you wish to print selected text and selected pages, then please watch this video. Let us say that I only wish to print this text, the one that I have selected, and not the complete page. Click on File, select Print, then under Settings, you'll find this thing which says Pages. Sorry, the whole thing, print all pages, the whole thing. You need to click on print selection. Now, when you click on print selection, it will either print the selected text or the selected pages and nothing else. Okay. And if let us say that you wish to select some specific pages, then you can click on custom print and then say page number 2, comma page number 4, and so on. So this is what you can do. I mean, obviously the last one is to click on print, but that's a different case. You have to make the selection in the section that I have mentioned. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.